Hi there. I wanted to do a quick review testimonial for my wonderful Aunty Sue. She's been in my life for about 20 years. She's been giving me psychic readings, tarot card readings, and energy healing for 20 years. She's amazing. She's the real deal. I've never met anyone like her. She has helped so many people. She's absolutely incredible. If you need insights in your life, if you're going through a transition or a crossroads, divorce, new baby, she also does energy clearings and blessings of new spaces here on Maui, Hawaii. She works long distance. You can do phone readings, and she's amazing on the phone as well. She can even do, she's helped people find lost pets in other states. She's absolutely incredible. I would love for you to check her out. Visionhealings.com. Her name is Susan Ribao. You can book directly through the website. She's just such a gem, such a gift, and I'm so grateful that she's in my life, and I would love for her to help you out in your life. So check it out. I'll drop the link below.